Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Let's explore slag dumping, emphasizing slag torus sandwich, P40, 140, U40, 160 technology. This involves efficient transportation and deposition of slag at set sites, chosen carefully to reduce environmental impact. Modern machines assure precise, secure operations while meeting strict safety and efficiency standards. Cutting-edge technology enhances accuracy and minimizes the overall environmental footprint, showcasing a synergy of advanced equipment and eco-friendly practices. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with more groundbreaking technologies. Let's take a closer look at the important process of dredging with the sandy swamp amphibious excavator. This step begins with a detailed study of the water body's conditions and the development of a dredging plan. Determining the right tool for the job is an art, and this is where the sandy swamp amphibious excavator plays a key role. Its ability to move both on land and in the water allows for precise maneuvering in aquatic conditions to effectively identify, select, and extract applied sediment. Attention to the surrounding ecosystem, including plant and animal life, is integral to this process. Let's take a closer look at the stump removal process with the ZKT-850 KPOT. This machine is designed to be precise and minimally harmful to the environment. This stage starts with precise stump localization and the selection of the best angle of attack. The machine then proceeds to gently remove the stumps, ensuring worker safety and minimal impact on the ground. The process involves treating the stumps in a way that prevents future growth and maximizes the ease of subsequent land preparation steps. Share your thoughts in the comments. Have you encountered the ZKT-850 KPOT before? Let's take a closer look at how the Cltaning 8900 fights field fires. This machine, originally designed for harvesting crops, takes on a new purpose when fighting flames. This process involves not only responding quickly to the fire, but also working carefully with the affected area. The Cltaning 8900 is equipped with fire extinguishing and flame spread prevention systems to quickly limit fires and minimize losses. Let's take a closer look at the carrot harvesting process with the ASA-Lift SP-200 SFH and the ASA-Lift SP-400. These specialized machines are designed to maximize the efficiency of carrot harvesting with minimal loss and damage. Steps include carefully pointing the beds, gently removing the carrots from the soil, and carefully handling and packing them. Precise positioning and automated processes ensure that carrots are harvested quickly and efficiently, preserving their shape and nutritional properties. Let's take a closer look at the stone cutting process with the Hwada double blade quarrying machine and the BV Tech FTBV 2500 MG. This step plays an important role in the stone quarrying industry to ensure accurate and quality trimming. Machines such as the Hwada double blade quarrying machine are equipped with two blades to improve cutting efficiency and minimize waste. The BV Tech FTBV 2500 MG arguably also represents the cutting edge of technology in stone cutting. The process involves precise positioning and cutting control to create products of various shapes and sizes with minimal waste. Now let's take a closer look at log handling with the Wagner L490 and Volvo L350. This important step involves carefully sorting, carefully lifting, and reliably moving massive logs with quality and safety in mind. The Wagner L490 is a specially designed machine to optimize this process, providing efficient wood material management in the forestry and timber industries. At the same time, the Volvo L350 provides reliable support for the efficient transportation of logs over long distances, which is important for smooth logistics in this industry. Let's dive into the world of demolition in marble quarries, where powerful machines like the Volvo EC4800L, Kawasaki KCM95Z7XT, and CAT 390FL tackle challenging tasks. This process involves careful planning, gentle demolition, and efficient recycling of materials. To maintain safety and precision during dismantling, the quarry uses advanced technology and know-how to minimize environmental impact. Engage with us in the comments. Have you witnessed these demolition dynamos in action? Now let's dive into the process of pouring concrete, which is an integral part of construction. This step requires precise adherence to proportions and moments to ensure an even distribution of material and the creation of strong structures. The process begins with preparation of the mixture, its transportation, and careful pouring into a certain place. Modern methods and technologies make it possible to achieve high accuracy and reliability when pouring concrete. Let's take a closer look at the process of cleaning up garbage using Home's SU 1.85 and Edinet RPHB 32-8FT machines. These machines play an important role in maintaining cleanliness and improving the environment. The process involves collecting, recycling, and disposing of garbage in accordance with norms and standards, contributing to improving the quality of life and conserving natural resources. Home's SU 1.85 and Edinet RPHB 32-8FT machines contribute to keeping cities and natural ecosystems cleaner, providing a more well-maintained and healthy environment. Let's take a closer look at the installation phase of the Enocron E-138 EP3 wind turbine. The process begins with a weather analysis and selection of the optimal location for maximum power generation efficiency. Installation requires precise planning and the cooperation of specialists from different fields. Machines for lifting and mounting the generator play a key role in achieving reliability and long-term efficiency of the wind farm. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!